Hey, I'm Bruce the Alligator Man, and I got my own cooking show, y'all.
Whenever you're ready.
Quiet on set.
You're not gonna talk?
Nope.
Okay. This is the fun
Wait,
part
do
of
that
it.
again, looking at me.
We're gonna let this cook a few minutes
Looking at me, not Ethan.
in the air fryer.
Looking at me when you say that.
I saw a bug in there while you were mixing it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, black.
But these are coming along pretty good.
And we're not getting any of your audio, Bruce. We're just getting flipping.
I'm practicing talking.
Oh, okay.
I got it out, didn't I?
No.
We'll find it. As a blooper or something. This is a few things we jar together.
Get to look at CJ.
Oh. If you get the oil too hot and
Looking
cook
at
it
me?
too long, if you cook, this is your Parmesan ranch right here.
Looking at me.
Hey, y'all,
Wait.
look.
Is this your first time in front of a
That's
camera?
Is this
Come
your
on
first
now.
time behind a camera? Y'all gonna be able to keep up? 'Cause
Nobody
I'm
can
not
keep
stop-
up with you, Bruce. Just give us
I'm
a
not
break.
stopping. So once we start, we're doing it. Don't be scared to try stuff.
Wait.
What are you gonna do?
Yes, you were.
No, I just like to. Who would hold a knife like that?
Well,
you
I
would.
don't know.
You would. How you say this one?
Parmesan ranch.
This is your Parmesan ranch. Okay, we're gonna stick this on here,
Eh.
and we're gonna open it first. CJ, what is this? I don't need that.
How long did the instant grits take?
Instantly.
Instant.
How you call that? Parmesan ranch?
Cut.
It's not my fault. It runs in our family.
Your food. Oh, right down the gully. No.
Yeah, it's pretty good stuff. Out here on the bayou, you never know what you're gonna get, but trust me, you don't want to miss the episode.
Tonight you're cooking with the